How to remove management profiles from your iPad. So you're gonna go ahead and open up your device management settings. So to do that, go ahead into your settings, which is right here. Go down until you find general and scroll down a bit more until you find VPN and device management, which is this. So from here, you can just select the management profile. So tap the profile or management entry you want to remove. You can review the organization or profile name first so you know you're removing the correct one. And if you don't see any profiles, then of course there isn't going to be any management profiles you can remove. So there's pretty much nothing you can do since it is already moved. Then you can just tap remove management or delete profile depending on what option you're going to do. So again, depends on what appears on your iPad as well. So enter your device passcode if it is prompted as well. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. Removing a configuration profile can also remove settings, apps, or data that were installed through that profile. Then you can just restart your iPad. So to do that, just go ahead and press the upper volume button and the lower volume button with the power button in a fast coordinated pace. So like that. And the power button should appear. You can just go ahead and turn it off and just turn on the iPad again. So if there is no remove management or delete profile option, then the iPad may be supervised or controlled by a school or organization. And in that case, the organization or the administrator may need to unenroll or remove the device from management. But that's pretty much how you can remove management profiles from your iPad. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.